We started an aircraft trading and leasing operation specializing in regional jets in 2001. Then in 2004, we formed an aircraft maintenance organization in Summerside, Prince Edward Island. We hold Transport Canada, EASA, FAA, and UKA CAA approvals for heavy maintenance on various regional jets and turboprops, namely the BAE 146-8 and ATR series of aircraft. After accomplishing the design and STC approval for the conversion of a passenger jet to an air tanker, Tronos gained a great deal of airworthiness and certification experience. Leveraging this, we began a strategic move in additive manufacturing. We established a dedicated manufacturing facility at the Charlottetown Airport, where we hold Transport Canada AS 9100 certification for both design and manufacture of aerospace components. We certified our first metal printed part in 2023. This part received part manufacturing approval through the FAA and took approximately 2 years, with progress obviously affected by the pandemic. We chose Renishaw equipment not simply for its aerospace pedigree, but also as an active partner helping us to develop robust process capability. The 500Q offers amazing productivity, and the Flex allows Tronos to develop new solutions for emerging market sectors in aerospace. We are working on both legacy parts to maintain operational readiness, as well as some new products of our own.
Renishaw is honored to work with Tronos, an amazing Canadian company here in PEI, on such a major project. That team was able to manufacture the first FAA-approved metal additive replacement part. In addition to the AM250, Tronos is also equipped with some of our latest additive machines, such as the Renishaw 500Q NS Flex, ideal if more capacity is needed in the future.